3, 2, 1. Awesome. Look at that flame, smoking. I felt the heat from here. Look at the smoke ring. Wait for a plane to try to iron through that. Alright, up next we got Simon Chan. Simon has done some awesome stuff for us. All those keychains that were laser engraved, the mug that was laser engraved. That was one from Simon Chan. He is awesome.
I'd probably go a little brighter on that.
Simon. Three, two, one. 3. Oh, he put some stars in it. It didn't really get that high. But hey, you know, we all start somewhere. He makes awesome keychains. Good fireworks. I love the mines in it though. That was pretty cool. Yeah, look at that smoker. Cody, look at this guy. Okay guys, up next we have William Mann. He's coming out of Okay, guys, up next we have a fireball that was set up without a name. It is not a competition one, so we're just going to hit it. Because we are unorganized. Ooh, put some stars in there. You know why we do this fireballs is because OH. Yeah, all you Hoosiers, get out of here. Just kidding, we love you. William, man, that's for you. Love you. William Mann coming out of Richmond, Indiana. Bex PYRO. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got a bunch of cool stuff on there. Product demos. There we go.
There we go. There's the
Look at that. Look at that. Hell of a fireball. Alright, not to confuse them, we have William Hall out of Fort Wayne, Indiana with PYRO It. He also has a YouTube channel, has his own company. William Hall. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. That one is coming to overtake his buddy William Hicks. Up next we have Paul Smith. Okay, I'm sorry. Up next we have Sam Spade. Sam Spade. 3, 2, 1. That's a hell of a fireball right there. We have some really good ones. It's gonna be hard to judge. Judges, are you watching?
Those aren't as loud as the one in Niles was.
Up next we have Paul, I think his last name is Smith. I'll have to check my Facebook Messenger. Okay, that's fine. We don't have Paul, so that should be, yeah. That is the end of the fireball competition. Get up our fireball competitors, everybody. That stuff is expensive. It puts gas in your car. We blow it up.